graders, today we're going to be talking about responsible mouths. So in the past few days, we've talked about responsible eyes, responsible ears, and responsible hands. So we're going to sing that song up to today. Responsible eyes, responsible eyes, look at the teacher. Responsible ears, listen to others. Responsible hands, keep color to see. Today we're talking about responsible mouths. Now mouths are very important because that's how we talk to one another and tell others what we're thinking. So it's very important that when we talk to others, we choose words that will help others and not hurt them. You're going to be watching two videos. One is a video called My Mouth is a Volcano, and it talks about a student who constantly is talking out in class and how the student is able to learn to wait for others to have a turn. The next video is about a child who talks to themselves in the mirror and talks kindly to themselves. So sometimes we don't realize we need to also use responsible mouths for ourselves, meaning we need to be kind to one another and know that we're doing the very best we can. After this, you'll have a little activity, but before I say goodbye, let's sing. I will sing the new song for today. Responsible mouths are kind to others. Now you can do it with me. Responsible mouths are kind to others. Okay, friends, I'll see you later.